As you guys can see, my 2008 Acura TL won't start. First, we thought it might be a computer issue, a security computer issue, but then the green light just keeps flashing, the green key light, which I don't understand what that means. And the key that we have is this gray one. Usually the original key should be black. I bought this car at auction, and this is the only key that came with it. But the funny thing is that the car used to start at the auction with no problem, and now it just won't start. Like, I don't know what's wrong with it. I called the dealer and they told me to do like a security brake system where you put the key on the on position, and then they give you a code that you gotta press that brake pedal, like whatever the code is. If it's a number 6, you press it 6 times. Then you put on the lock position, the key in the lock position, and then you do it again. So you gotta enter all the codes, and that's supposed to like bypass the security system, and it's supposed to let the car start. But I did all that and it just won't start. It just does that. So I don't know if I should just have like someone make a new key, like original key, or maybe if I should replace the computer. So I'm going crazy. I can't get this car started. Alright, I appreciate someone can help me and let me know what the problem is. Thank you and have a nice day.